should aware about. So you should aware about how to access it. So please pay attention to this session, and whatever your doubts can be clear after the session.
Recording start झालंय?
Yes, ma'am. You please start, ma'am.
Okay. Hello everyone. Good morning to all of you. A hearty welcome. Our IC Principal Dr. Veena Sanekar, Vice Principal Dr. Satyavan Hanegave, Dean of the Academic Year Affair Mrs. Hemali Sanghvi, Dean of Research and Extension Dr. Atish Chaukari, and all the senior faculty and my dear friends. I welcome you all for the last day of the induction program of 21-22. Let's start our day with the prayer, because as you know, prayers play an important part in our life. So I will begin with the campus prayer.
Dear participant, kindly raise for the campus prayer.
पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वं यत्किञ्च जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीता मा गृधस्य स्विद्धनम्। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। ॐ प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती ीनामविद्यवतु। ॐ चोदयित्री सूनृतानां चेतन्ती सुमतीनां यज्ञं ददे सरस्वती। ॐ असतो मा सत्समय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनस्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। सर्वेऽत्र सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति
Thank you very much. Before we start with the induction of today's session, I would like to give some instructions to our students. Please keep your audio and video off. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the chat box or you can ask after this session. Feedback form will be given to you all at the end of the session. So it is compulsory on the part of the students to fill up the feedback form. So let's begin with today's session. So I would request Mr. Amay Rane to start with the session.
Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Amay Rane. I am from Somaya Vidyavihar IT team, headed by Mr. Mahaveer sir. I am here to give you a short introduction about the Microsoft Teams platform. As you all know, in this pandemic, we have been adapted to learn remotely using many platforms available on web or on in market. MS Teams is one of the platform where we can learn and collaborate remotely. So I'm sharing a screen. I'll give you a short introduction about Microsoft Teams and how we can use it for our daily learning and teaching requirement. So our institute has got licenses from Microsoft A1 license for all the faculties and students, which we can use for remote learning. We have created Microsoft Teams account and send it across to all the Somaya students and faculties in your email account. Some of you might have already received it in your Somaya Gmail inbox, and some of the accounts are already under process of being created and being shared. I will show you how the email with the MS account credential will look and how you can log into your account, followed by some basic features and options which you can use in Microsoft Teams. So if you can log in your Somaya Gmail, these two kinds of email you can see. One of them you might have got already, where you will find the username and password to log in your Microsoft account. So this is a test user which I have created, and I have received the username and password. And even this kind of email can be sent to you, which will consist of your username and password and the login link to Microsoft Teams or Microsoft dashboard. So you need to download Microsoft Teams application. For that, link is also given in the email which you will receive. This is the link which you will need to click, and you can download the Microsoft Teams app from here. Yeah. Once you download the desktop app and install it, and once you log in, it will look somewhat like this. This is the Microsoft Teams dashboard which you will find once you log into your Microsoft account.
Yeah, excuse me, sir. Sir, excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
European
Sir, we
medieval
can't hear you
cathedrals.
properly because there is an echo over here.
Once again, I'm grateful to Professor Alphonse for his availability.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now you are audible.
Okay. So once
Thank you
you
much,
get
Professor Mariano. Thank you again to the
Sir, with you,
university, your
some more
department,
noise is coming.
and especially to
not from my system, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, am I audible now, Mukta ma'am?
Yes, yes,
Is it
yes.
clear now?
Sir, you are
Let
audible,
me
but in the background, some
start.
another noise is also coming, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, am I audible now?
there's
Yes, sir.
an
Okay.
issue
Sir, in the background, is there any
which was
audio going on, sir?
first
No.
to compare
Dear student, kindly put your question. Don't discuss. If you're not received, you will receive it.
Yeah, as I told you before, some of you might have received the emails and some of you might have not received the emails. But I assure you that you will receive the email by end of today or by tomorrow once the data is processed under the system. So some of the accounts are already being created and it will get shared by end of today. So you will be able to log in and attend the lectures from tomorrow, as ma'am said. So this is a dashboard which Microsoft team has, and here are some main options where you need to go. Your faculty will be sharing you the meeting link or the meeting code which you will need to join. Once you get the code, you can enter it over there and you can join the team. You can see I have some test teams which I have created and which I am the part of. And here you can see once you are added into one of your team, you will see the lectures and classes scheduled over here where you can click and join the classes. Right now this is a test account, so I do not have any classes going on over here. So once you are a part of any of the team, you will be able to see the classes and lecture in this calendar. So this is the basic of Microsoft Team, and you will be getting a in-depth training or in-depth feature reviews from your faculties, or we'll be arranging one training for the faculties as well as the students in coming future in the next week, I suppose. So this is what I can have a brief introduction or induction for you guys for now. Mamta ma'am, can you take it ahead?
Yes, sir. You please stop the screen
Yeah,
sharing so that,
I'll
yeah.
stop the share.
Dear student, I know you have various questions and various doubts about MS Team. Yes, you can download MS Team from the from your mobile. You can attend it from mobile. You can have the app on your mobile from Play Store. You can download it and you can use it. But for the first registration, you have to do it from your laptop, and that, as Amay Rane sir has told you, that you will receive an email where the link will be provided, where you will have your password and your email address, sorry, login ID and password. You have to use it. Now, once you receive the email, I know there are many students who have already said that we have not yet received. You have not even received. Please listen to me, Anush Sharma. Please listen to me. I'm telling you whatever the question you have already put it in the chat. Please listen first and then please put the messages in the chat box. Okay. Now, I know some of the students have not received their division. Some of the students have not received your roll number. You will receive it very soon. Now, till that, how you will use the MS Team and how to attend the lecture. That I'm going to tell you. And after receiving also, how you will going to attend the MS Team classrooms and the lectures. Is that clear now? I think your doubt is clear now that even though you have not received your division, though you have not received your roll number, you can attain it. Okay. Now, whoever has taken the admission late and they have not at all received any division 8. So whoever have taken the late admission can join the I division lecture and can follow the I division timetable till you received your roll number and till you receive your proper division. Is that clear to all of you? Whoever has not received roll number and division can join I division lecture and follow the I division lecture, and you have to go to your My account. Somaya My account. There you will get your division and roll number very soon. Dear student, till now we were admitting many students. So each and every student will get your roll number and division very soon by the next week. Till that, we have to use the timetable which is available. Many students, the first phase student who have already taken the admission in the first phase, they have received their roll number. They have received their 1 minute. So, sorry. Now I think the first doubt is clear that you about roll number and about your division. I think, yes, fine. Now, whoever has not got the division and roll number, please keep on check on your My account. By next week, you are surely going to get the roll number and division. Now, as Amay sir has said, you will receive an email and you have to check it, that email, in 2-3 things. I'll show you one. 1 minute. I will show you my email account and I will show you what are four things which are the four things where you have to check for your emails. Is my screen is visible to all of you? I hope yes. Okay. Now, if you can see here, the email, there is a primary email, there is a social, there is a promotional, update and forum. Mostly you will receive your email either on primary. If not on primary, please check the update and the forums wherever you can receive your emails. Is that clear to all of you? Once you received your email, you will receive your password and login ID. You will receive the login ID and password. You have to go to the office website from your desktop or from your laptop. Don't do it from your phone. You have to use your desktop or the laptop. From that, you can log in your ID with the password, and then after that, you can download that account on app on your desktop or the laptop or even on your phone. Okay, is that clear to all of you? That if you're first, you have to log in from desktop or from the laptop. After that only you can access that account from the mobile phone app or anything else. First login should be from the website, and that is from the desktop or the laptop. Okay, now next. Now once you have downloaded, once you have logged in, your teacher will give you some link to attend your lectures and to join your teams. Joining teams and attending lectures are two different things. Right now, till you have not received your teams, till you have not received your login password, you can enter with your own email ID as well. But once you have received your login and password, you have to use that login and password itself. Now, once you will receive in your chat, in the Telegram link, you will receive the lecture link, everyday lecture link, and that link you have to click on. So as soon as you will click on that link, the link will divert you towards your MS Team app, and then you can enter in your lecture and attend the Yash, whatever the WhatsApp group have been formed, that is unofficial WhatsApp group. You have to understand that we have not formed any kind of WhatsApp group yet. We have just formed the Telegram group. And if you have seen the message of WhatsApp group, that all is in unofficial group formed by the student, not by the teachers. So do not ask me anything about the WhatsApp group. Officially on the notice, only Telegram group is there. So whoever want to attend the lecture, whoever want to get the updates, they must be there on the Telegram group. Is that clear? Okay. Dear, you are from, I think you are from junior college, from this college itself. Is it Gaurav? Are you from the same college? Yes. So that is for the last year you have received, not for this year. And please understand the fact, once you receive the login ID and password, that login ID and password will be last only for 15 days. Before that, you have to do the logging and change your password. Don't ask me the iCard ka slot available hai. This is not for the iCard. So once you have login into you get the password within 15 days, you have to log in and change your password. Once you will change your password, that password will last for the longer duration. And please keep somewhere written your password, because many a times you forget, many a times you change your phone and you forget your password, then it becomes very difficult to retrieve that all data and password. Okay, now I'm starting sharing, screen sharing. Now, once you will be there, now these are various teams, various classrooms of mine. So you can see the various teams. But once you are into the teams, you will log in into the MS team. You will go to the teams and either you will get the link to join the classroom.
Mamta madam, can I disturb you for a bit?
Yes, sir.
Please make Shobha madam co-host. She has to give vote of thanks at the end.
Sir, let me finish first now so that I can do it.
Okay.
I need to find out her in the list, sir, and then I have to make it. So let me finish my presentation first. Okay. So student, you will find this MS team. Now here you will not have any team till you join. Your teacher will either give you some code or they will give you the link. Okay. If you will get the link, from that link, if you join directly, you will come to the your classrooms which are been allotted. If you are getting a password, then go to join. Now join team with a code. Is it visible to all of you? Join team with a code. If you will get a code, then you have to put the code over here and then you can join that particular team. If you are getting a link from a teacher, so directly if you click on the link, you can join the classroom. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, now I will show one of my classroom. This is last year's classroom. You can see the members and guests. Once you are entered in your classroom, there will be the list of the students with your roll number and your ID card. And here you will get all the information, updates of every lecture and the information about your notes, etc. Everything. Now, once you will enter over here, this is from the teacher point of view. Owners you will find over here. Owners are the teachers who are taking the lectures, and the members are the students. Now, what you have to do, the class notebook or the assignments. Whenever the assignments is been there, here there will be the assignment you will find, and you have to see, for there are so many assignments last year we have taken. So whenever you will get assignment, you will get over here. So that assignment you have to click upload the file. Now just uploading is not enough. After uploading the file, you have to submit the assignment. Without submitting, your file won't get any assignment won't get submitted. You can afterwards say, ma'am, we have uploaded, but after uploaded, you have to submit that assignment as well. Now with the channel, general channel, you will get all the information and all the notes which are being put on the classroom. See, we will be communicating with all of you continuously, and whatever the notes and all we will be sharing, you will get all the pop-up information on your general channel. Even if the files, if you'll go in files, we will be having the class material. In that class material, all the notes will be uploaded, and you can get you can go there and download the notes. See, you can click here and say download. So that particular notes can be downloaded, or even you can open over here and read the notes. That notes will not be removed. That notes will be there for you. So you can get the notes as well. Now, whenever your lecture time is there, okay, so the scheduled meeting will be pop up like this. For example, tomorrow 9:40 to 10:40, you have EVS lecture. Okay, so first lecture link I'll be creating. So you will be getting this pop-up automatically over here. You have to just go and join the meeting. Okay, now this is last year, so you cannot join it, but you have to just go and join the meeting. Is that clear? Now, till you are not got any teams, or till you are not into the any other teams, what will happen in calendar? There will be some lectures link we will be providing. For example, this link will copy. I'm just putting into the chat box right now so you can understand. So don't click on that link, okay? No recorded lectures will be available. If you can't join, you have to join and you have to attend the lecture. It is not distance education that you will receive the recorded education afterwards. You have to be there and you have to attend the lecture online every day. Okay, so you will receive some link like this. Of course, MS Team links are little more bigger. So you will click on this. You don't have to mark your attendance. Your attendance is automatically marked and we'll get it once you are enter into the. See, if you're attending CA exams and all, that is your lookout. We are not here to for the CA exams and all. You have to go to college and take the permission, especially for your CA exams. And only during the CA exam, on that day, if you're not attend lecture, that is a different case. But because of preparation of exam, if you will not attend the lecture, that is not considered. You have to attend the lecture, and if you have attended the first day of induction program, Satyavan sir has already given the information that you all have to complete your 75% attendance. So attendance will be once you are enter in the team, your attendance, how many times you will enter, how many times you will leave the team, everything will be recorded, and as per that your attendance will be marked. Is that clear to all of you? The link will be provided. On that link, you have to click and join the account, join the lecture. Now, till you received your password and email ID, password and the login ID, till that particular time, you can attend it from your personal email ID. But once you are received, your personal ID will not be accepted. You have to attend it from your email ID itself because it will reflect your roll number. So presently will be given on depending upon your roll number. Now I hope it is clear to all of you. And this is the calendar. On calendar, you're all see. If you can see in my calendar, there are how many lectures I have been set or how many lectures I am taking. That all lectures pop-up window is been shown. So similarly, in your lecture calendar also, this windows will be shown only when you will receive your email address, login ID and password, and you will join the team. Till that time, the link will be provided every day on the Telegram group, and from Telegram group, you can access that particular link. I hope it is clear. Is it clear to all of you? See, whenever you are receiving any kind of link, please check that there will be the clearly written, that is the MS Team link or Google Meet link. There are two types of link teachers are accessing, either on the Google Meet or on the MS Team, or some teacher may also take on the Zoom. Okay, so it depends upon the teacher. Also, it depends upon, but wherever you are logging, your attendance will be recorded. So whenever you are entering, please enter with your name. Now here is a person who has entered with the heart shape. Okay, there is one person who has entered with the some device name. So this kind of person will not get any attendance though you are attending the whole lecture. So while entering in the classroom, you have to check with which name you are entering. Now Hamza Fires, what kind of name is this? Please do not enter with any type of name. Try to enter with your roll number and name written on your entering ID. And Danam, I think I've already told everyone that I know there are many students have not received any email ID. Whoever will receive, you will receive it very soon. And without email ID also, or without logging and password also, you can join the MS Team. Please keep on visit your Somaya college website at least once a day, and your Teams or classroom once a day, because all the updates you will get it on that particular platform. Then you cannot say ki we didn't know anything, we didn't know and we missed out the dates. that argument will not be accepted. Whatever your clashes are there, whatever your problems are there, immediately you have to contact your teacher. Immediately you contact the concerned subject teacher and talk to them regarding your problem immediately. After the exam, after the assignment date has been over, any argument and anything will not be considered. I hope it is clear. That is what is mandatory to all of you, just to keep on logging every day to your Telegram group or your MS team, whatever the team has been made, or and your Somaya website, because all the notices will be put up on the Somaya. Whatever your doubts are there, see, ID card slot and the official and the office related matter, we cannot sort it because we teacher are not here to know all the clerical part. Okay, so whoever has the problem can directly contact to the office or can visit college and solve their problem. MS टीम का ही ऐप है बेटा, कुंजल MS टीम का ही ऐप आता है. You go to Play Store, you will get Teams करके, Microsoft Teams. That is which app? उसका ही ऐप है. Is it clear, Kunjal? Of course. Apple mobile पे या फिर किसी भी मोबाइल पे you will get this app. You go to college and meet Manorama madam. Whoever wants to apply for any kind of scholarship, we don't know about anything else than it. Please ask me about the MS team or the Google Meet or all the other question you have. If you have the old email ID, then yes, you can use that old email ID. See, go to the Somaya account. Okay, the old email ID you can use, but old password, last year password and login ID, you cannot use it. Are you getting it? I'm talking only for MS team. Somaya email ID will be the same because you are in-house student. Only the student out of Somaya will receive the new Somaya email ID, and in that Somaya email ID, MS team login and password will be provided. There is no procedure to change the division. Don't ask me all this thing. And please, you send message to everyone. Don't send message to me personally on the chat box. Sri Krishnan, please access once from some of the laptop or desktop, whoever have it, and then you can access it from your mobile. It is only once you have to access. And if you can do it on mobile, you try it, but I think from mobile logging is not that possible. Is that clear to all? And please ask me only about books and all. Every teacher, every subject teacher will tell you which notes, which books has to refer. Don't ask it in general, which publication, which textbooks and all. Every subject teacher will tell you which books and everything you have to refer. Please, Arushi, the timetable is uploaded in the Telegram group. Your 9:40 lectures has been started, and till your lectures end, there will be the 2 lecture, 3 lecture per day. So it depends upon the teachers and your comfort as well. So if you have received a new Somaya email, so you have to access that. If you have received a new Somaya email and MS Team ID also you will receive new. If you have received a new Somaya email ID, please use that. Don't use the old one. Dear students, MS Team is itself an app. Other कौन सा app होगा? Lectures will be there on the MS Team, Google or Zoom. Zoom and Google is comparatively easy, but here MS Team we are showing you because here you have to have the classroom as well as the lecture link. Google Meet is just a link. You can click on the link and enter in the classroom. Zoom is also a link. You can enter, put the password and enter in the lecture room. But in Teams, there are the teams where you get update, notes, etc. And with that, lecture also can be taken over there. And attendance will be recorded automatically. I hope I have given almost all the answers to all the students. No, see, important messages student teachers can show it in the, put it in the Telegram group. But otherwise, all the clerical related, exam related, whatever the notices, you have to check it. It is students' duty to check the notice board when you are in the college, isn't it? When you are in a college, what you are supposed to do, you have to check the notice board for all the notices, exam related, everything. Now, physically, we are not in a college, so you have to check the website where all the notices has been put up. So that is your duty to check the Somaya website at least once a day to check if there is any update or any other notice. I think I have answered almost all the queries. Over to Monica, madam.
Ma'am, is it over from your side? I can't hear anything. Mamta, ma'am? Okay. Can I propose the vote of thanks, Mamta, ma'am? Mamta, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I propose the vote of thanks? Is
Yeah,
it
you
over?
can't hear anything.
Hello. Can I propose the vote of thanks now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. We have now reached to the end of induction program. So I would like to thank our principal, vice principal, deans for giving us the opportunity to conduct the program. I thank all the faculty members who have shared the activities and information about the department. We thank Professor Sandeep Kulkarni and Professor Mamta Tendulkar Madam for trusting us and giving us this opportunity to compare the induction program. The timetable will be put on the website. I wish you all the best. To conclude with a positive note, I would like to say that believing in yourself is the secret to success. Thank you very much. I request Professor Monica Sawant to play the national anthem. May I request all the students to stand for the national anthem. The feedback link is provided on your chat box. Monica, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Now I'll start with the national anthem.
Thank you, ma'am.
ask. But one thing that he always struggled
Thank you, students.
Dear student, please fill the feedback form without fail.